the heart of El Nido.
Ano po sinasabi mo, Dad? Pusit. Okay, let's get that. Gusto ko din na sabaw to.
Dalawa. Tapos isa na ito, Sergeant.
Can we get sinigang?
Oh, sinigang.
Yeah, share na lang kami.
Bali, shrimp po yung sinigang kanina.
Wala mo pa na
Ah. Hey guys, so it's officially day 1 here sa El Nido. So today is January 25. Today is Saturday. It's currently 7:26 a.m. So for today, we're gonna go island hopping. Pero before that, magbe-breakfast muna kami. So I don't know where. Look guys, at the coffee shop, ang ganda niya.
Guys, the contractor.
Contractor daw. Hey guys, so it's 10:30 a.m. na and we're here at the first island, Commando Island. Ayan. Grabe guys, ang ganda ng beach, parang daming tao. So we'll buy some drinks. Coke Zero? Okay.
Iba 1,000 peso challenge.
Ubusin in one
napansin
minute.
na.
Coke na lang siya. Fried donut.
Tapos, fried donut ba yun?
Yan po ang ganda.
Maruya, yung may banana.
Let's eat some maruya.
Ay, masarap.
Ano English ng maruya?
Banana.
Banana fritters.
Banana what?
Fritters. Parang si Ranzo.
Si December.
Wow!
Taxes.
Bigyan na, kayo na.
So it's 11:59 a.m. na and we're here at the second location. Dito kami magkakayak. And swimming! Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Swimming. So hinihintay na lang namin yung kayak guys. Medyo matagal.
Yung kayak namin, guys. But here's the fit. Look. With our
Shoes.
aqua shoes.
We're kayaking na!
Tired.
Ako ang passenger princess.
Kanina ako.
Ganda ng view.
Wait ko na, Dre.
Go guys. Ang cute naman nakatali sila. Ang bilis nyo, wait lang. So it's 3:19 p.m. na and we're here at our fourth stop. So one last na lang. makakauwi na kami guys. Hindi kami nakapagkape kanina kaya parang lamya-lamya kami.
Guys, we're gonna die. You know naman, coffee is life.
Yes! Ganda ba? Puntahan namin yung mataas na view ng mangroves. Hi guys!
I'm tired, guys. But thank God I have the Tilex fan. Link down below.
Ano na kay Marco saglit?
Ganda.
Guys, we're here sa may top ng
After 3 hours.
3 hours.
1 hour.
This is me hiking aftermath. Parang naligo.
What's this?
Ha? Siyempre ko na. Maski pa maraming beses.
Baka yung kamay ni kuya.
Ay, tatakot na si Kuya Be.
Teka, baka Sige! Wow!
Pwede nang ano.
Sa panahon na.
Who wants pizza?
Daw pizza. Cheese pool challenge. Tingnan, dapat nakapikit kayo.
Pero, hindi mo parang
Hi guys, it's the next day na. And today we're gonna go to Leo Beach. Pero before that, we're gonna go to Sibaltan. May check kami na beach doon. Pero ayun, we're just grabbing our morning coffee kasi hindi kami makaka-function kapag walang coffee. Hi guys, it's 1:50 p.m. and we're here at Leo Beach already. So, kaya ako naka-cover guys kasi sobrang lakas ng hangin. Nagugulo talaga yung hair ko guys. Tingnan niyo yung hair ni Marcus.
Okay lang siya.
Be, magulo. Tapos sobrang gloomy, nakakainis. Beach day namin today. As in, ngayon dapat kami tatambay sa beach lang. Tapos ganito pa yung weather. It's not giving. Ang sad naman. Ganda pa naman here sa Leo Beach. Ang difference sa Nakpan is meron siyang mga restos. Tapos may cafes. Pinagbabawalan ata nila mag-swimming. Turtles. Ay, talaga. Hey guys, good morning. So, it's 9:39 a.m. na and we're here at Nakpan Beach. Ayan, so today is our last day at sabi namin gusto namin pumunta sa beach before we go. So, kahapon kasi umuulan. Tapos, nandito kami sa may Sunmay, magbe-breakfast lang. Pero while waiting for the food, magbe-picture lang kami.
Gago.
So we're done eating at the Tales of the Island Cafe. Right now, we're on our way to another coffee shop. So, beachfront siya. Nakita ko lang sa TikTok habang kumakain kami. Yung name niya is Hama Coffee. Ha?
Alam mo saan?
Yeah. Hammock Coffee. Yes. 1 p.m. now and we're here at Tio Beach and ang ganda ng view guys.
It's our last full day. Bye, El Nido. We'll be back.
Bye!
Right, Dad?